Lara ka jing thumu jo ka sarkar kilong ke be renti shan kan ni ka Secretariat ka badan Hapoh Shillong kan le ano sakoi pat ka jaka bakata ka jaka ka dei hanu Shillong ni hamau perang bat kamjuru hamau deng jang ini kalau ngadi ka jing jurep jong umati nama ka jala rangkat umati ke kampan raisar bat ki officer rang ba jong ka jala menta ka sengi ki babun ki jaka sarkar ke badan hanu Shillong habaikan bikin untuk khabar ukon rat sangma Ulang baka jangan pek jong ya kan jaga kalong hadin baka dan ke jengmu jaga sarkar ban kende no ka Secretariat saka jaga ka kham kelut baka jaga ka kham paji na ka sor Shillong.
We have come here to visit in this Maujangjang area, this Maupat area and Maukasing area to see the possibility of shifting the entire Secretariat and government departments to this land. We have two options in front of us. One is in the Maupadang area, and one is in this area where we are right now. And we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments. So some rearrangement will have to be done. And we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for the Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administrating can also go to the Maupadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which of course is a bit early to right now explain, because we're in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new Secretariat can come in this area, and we have, as I said, come here to examine that. And we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet. And once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive. And as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied. So within the next couple of weeks, as I said, we should be able to take a final decision.
What is this? IIM.
Just discussing that the IIM, then that's IT Park.
Yeah.
That was what it was?
NIFT.
It was the IIT. IIM.
That is IIM. It's all IIM. Sir.
120 acres.
Yes, sir. Great. No?
And the land that we're talking about, the other side of IIT, is that one.
Yeah, beyond
that one.
all the green plants.